rules, the only kind of hat allowable under those rules are religious attires, including religious hats. Would you therefore explain the hat that you are wearing? Is it as a result of the religion you confess?
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. And this question is again coming up substantively the second time. The last time it was your deputy who was there. And I thought the matter has been settled because it has appeared. And this morning, my chairman of the Public Accounts Committee has made a determination because I sat through. Because, Mr. Speaker, I explained, and today I'm alone because the senator from Meru has left, that besides being Christian, we also prophesy and we also subscribe to our traditional religious wings. That is why we sometimes go and pray in the forest, because we still believe and we worship Mwenenyaga, our God, Mr. Speaker. And it is out of that we occasionally wear these traditional hats, which, Mr. Speaker, out of your very kind consideration, have allowed some of us, your own deputy, my own self, and many others to put on, Mr. Speaker. If that satisfies the question, Mr. Speaker, I would ask that you allow me make my contribution, because the matter has...
What is the point of order, Senator Kajwang?
Mr. Speaker, Senator Methu is misleading the House by averring that I cleared his outfit in the morning. Indeed, when he walked into the subcommittee that I was chairing, I was very quick to send him to the other subcommittee that was chaired by Senator Cherarkei, so that Cherarkei could make that determination. But, Mr. Speaker, the danger that Senator Methu poses is that if we will be describing everything as a religious regalia, I know certain sects, cults, etc., even members of cults can argue that it is religious. And Mr. Speaker, the day I will walk in here with the regalia of not a sect, not a cult, but a very well registered church called the Legio Maria Church, whose leader is Papa Melchior Ondeto. Mr. Speaker, for that regalia to be complete, I must have a fly whisk, I must have a rosary, I must have an image of Papa Melchior Ondeto on my chest, and I must pull out 7 lower teeth, and probably have dreadlocks. Mr. Speaker, if I walked in that style and fashion and argue that it is a religious regalia,